Hey, this is Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach trainer, all about helping people master social media as business tools. One of the things, the conversation came up this morning in a networking group about security on social media. And when I mentioned two-level or two-way or two-step authentication for logging into social media, I got a lot of people looking at me like, what are you talking about? So I kind of figured it makes sense for me to share with you what two-level, two-way, or two-step authentication is in your social media sites. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to go to LinkedIn. I'm in LinkedIn. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go to my settings and privacy in LinkedIn. So you can see under privacy and security, here's two-step verification. And if I go change that, you can see that I've turned it on. It says two-step verification is on, and I have my phone number associated with it. Now, what this does in LinkedIn and everywhere else that has two-step, two-level verification is when I log on, or anyone logs on to my LinkedIn account in this case, from any device that I have not previously logged on to myself, it sends me a text message to that phone number. And it gives me a 4, 5, 6-digit code that I then have to type in to validate that I am logging on to my own account. So my two-step verification is turned on LinkedIn. So again, if I log on in any other computer or any other device, iPhone, tablet, desktop, anywhere, that I have not logged on to myself, then it sends me a text message with that code, and I got to type that code in. This is how you do it on LinkedIn, two-step verification under your privacy and settings, under privacy. Now let me go show you Facebook. So here I am in Facebook. This is my personal Facebook account. Go over here to the little triangle, hit the down arrow, go down to settings, right here, settings. Now in settings, go to security and login, right here, security and login. So here I am under security and login, and you can see this is where I'm logged in right now. And so I know these look like they're pretty reasonable. They're in Advanced and Greensboro. These are all my devices. So I might want to get rid of that iPad Greensboro. I mean, I think it was me logging in from somewhere else, but I'm going to get rid of it. So anywhere I log out, and it's really important to pay attention to where you're logged in. So here you can see in Facebook, use two-factor authentication. Open that up and you can see it's going to send a text message to my phone. And what it's going to do, it's going to ask me to create a code. And using the Facebook code generator, which is built into the Facebook app, and you've got to type in that code to be able to complete logging in to Facebook on this other device. Two-factor authentication on Facebook. Important to have. So the same thing applies to my Google Apps. Here's my Google Apps. I go over here to my account. I'll click on my profile shot, go to my account. Under my account, go to sign in and security. And under sign in and security, where I go into signing into Google, and I have two-step verification, it's on. Again, that's going to send a text message to my cell phone when Google's it's going to give me a 4-digit number, and I have to type in that 4-digit number into the field so I can log into my Google, which Google is, you know, my email, my calendars, my contact, my YouTube, and my Google Plus, all of that Google stuff, my Google Analytics, my Google AdSense, all of that is secured, not only with my email address and my magical secret password, but also two-step verification. I cannot log in to my account on any device without having access to my cell phone and that two-step code that it sends the text to me. I recommend you turn on two-step verification. I have this two-step, two-level, two-way verification turned on, whatever they call it, on all of my apps. I even use the two-step verification on my banks, my financial stuff, my insurance stuff. Everywhere I can use two-step verification, I use it. And again, you'll find two-step verification setup when you go look at your privacy and settings on all of your online accounts. Two-step verification is vital to help protect your identity, protect access to your systems, to your social media, to your banking, to your insurance. Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer with a security idea that I hope you benefit from. Thanks for letting me share.